Girls, stop playing and post your price list. Now a disclaimer, everything that I share on this series is my personal experience being in the beauty industry for over 14 years. So today's topic, we're going to talk about how to build your clientele. You need to have a business card. You need to have a business card or a flyer. On your business card and a flyer, you have all your social media links where your clients can go on there and see all your work that you have done throughout the years. Also on your flyer or business card, you have all your contact information, your phone number and your email in order for your clients to contact you to book the appointment. Let's say you do a makeup application for one client, you hand her your business card, someone stop her on the road and they tell her, oh my God, I love your makeup, who do it? Your client already have your business card. She hand it to that person or your contact number already on her phone. That's great promotion, and then the link just go on and on and on and on. Girls, stop playing and post your price list. Many times makeup artists, they don't post their prices. Imagine going to a supermarket or a grocery store or a clothing store and you walk in and no price list. Imagine this shirt I'm wearing, on the rack there is no price list, but I bet when you go in the store, on top of the rack they have a big sign in red saying $7, $10, $5, buy one get one free, buy one get one 20% off. Many times we fail to nurture our audience and educate our audience. All you're doing is posting your work, but you're not educating them. You're not telling them, okay, this is the work that I do with makeup application, and then this is the price, and also this is the timing that I offer on the makeup application that you choose. It's okay, there'll always be some competition. Most of the times people go for the cheaper one or the most expensive one. At the end of the day, they will book you if they want to. They will find you wherever you are. It will come to you, sis, believe me. The topic is always be different. Now, every day, I like to say makeup artists are born. Every day there are makeup artists coming out and with new tricks, new techniques, you name it, but always be different. Find what suits you so you can be different from the rest. Always keep in mind, clients come to you because you're different with your makeup application. They like the way that you apply the makeup application, and also most importantly your personality. No one likes to go to a very rude entrepreneur or makeup artist. Your personality also stands out with a makeup application. Do you know that? The next step, communicate with your client. Imagine, demonstrate. Hello, I like to make a makeup application tomorrow at 4 p.m. Okay, 4 p.m. tomorrow. Okay, done. That's all? Yeah, that's all. Okay. I mean, you're going to freelance that day. Is it a wedding? Is it a photo shoot? Is it a television show? What type of makeup are you doing? Are you applying lashes? And also the question is, what type of skin condition do you have? Sensitive? Are you allergic? Do you communicate the terms and condition or the policy to your client? No, you need to have some kind of communication with your client so none of you will have any misunderstanding. Imagine that same client that you book, you're supposed to freelance and you don't know, or it's a wedding and you don't know. Imagine that clients come like 15-20 minutes to your studio and you tell her that you cannot do it because once you're 15 minutes or 20 minutes late, your appointment is automatically cancelled or rescheduled. Okay, you can maybe do the makeup, but did you discuss with her there's a late fee that you have to pay? You never discussed that. Okay, maybe you did discuss that. Did you also discuss that once you pay a deposit, right? your appointment is automatically approved. If you do not pay a deposit, your appointment is not approved, so you did not make that booking for the client. So all that you need to discuss with your clients before finalizing a booking, just for not to have any misunderstanding between the two, the makeup artist and the client. The next point, market your business. Remember the last series I tell you about, you need to take before and after picture. You need to take before and after picture. You need to market your business. Makeup artists, most of the time, they are their own customer service, their own entrepreneur, their own marketing, their own promotion. They're all in one. You need to push your work and show people what makeup application that you offer, of course with the client's permission as well. Never ever forget to ask the client if it's okay to take a before and after picture, and also post the picture and use for some type of promotion that you're having. So always push your work and let the people know what you can do. Going back to my point as well, you need to let them know that type of makeup that you're having, the price and the length of makeup that you're having. And also imagine that you only do soft glam, basic glam, but you don't do weddings. All that you need to post and let the clients know, or your audience know, that the type of work that you're interested in. If it's you are interested in a wedding or a photo shoot, makeup artist, or let's say you're more interested in TV shows, a movie, or just doing a basic glam. All that you need to market yourself and put yourself out there and let your audience know what type of makeup artist are you, and always push your brand. You are your own brand. Remember that. All right, the final tip I want to discuss with you, and it's very important, is never complain on social media about a client. I all know I'm still seeing this going on. Why do social media have to know what's happening in your business? No business do that at all. What stays in the business stays in the business. If the client want to put out your business, fine, but don't engage unless if it's a serious matter or legal issue. But never put out or discuss a client on your social media. At the end of the day, you making your audience see what you're putting out, and your audience is going to stay away from you because they don't want to be the next victim on your chair, that their business that they put out to you. Private life is the best life. Whenever they talk about Chanel 767, they only talk about makeup, nothing more. Nothing about my personal life, nothing about discussion that you have between you and your clients, or what the clients do at their business. If they're always late, they never on time, they don't communicate. All that don't need to be about social media. Keep that to yourself. Keep that in the business, and only promote your makeup application or your special that you're having, girl. Keep your business to yourself. I just checking you here. All right. As making sure that you understand where I'm coming from. So that's it on the series of Makeup Artistry by Chanel 767. Until the next time, my beautiful people, keep it locked.